Noticing more hair than usual in the shower or on your brush? First, take a breath. A little shedding is completely normal. What we want is less breakage, a healthier scalp, and stronger hair over time. Now, know what helps most. Here's the biggest secret. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Think of your scalp like soil and your hair like the plant. When the scalp is clean, balanced, and cared for, your hair has a better chance to thrive. For hair care, you should wash it gently. Choose a mild shampoo that suits your scalp and don't scrub like you're cleaning a pan. Use your fingertips to massage for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse well. If your scalp gets oily, wash as needed. Clean is better than clogged. Condition your hair the right way. Condition applies to the hair lengths only. It should go where your hair needs it the most, the mid-lengths and the ends, not the roots. That helps reduce dryness and breakage without weighing everything down. And if your hair is extra dry, keep a conditioning mask once a week, which can help. Protect your hair daily. Be gentle with wet hair. After washing, the wet hair breaks more easily. Pat it dry with a microfiber cloth or a soft t-shirt even, instead of rubbing it. If you use heat tools to style it, always use heat protectant. Here's some home DIY scalp care. For simple DIY scalp care, keep it easy. Use a warm oil massage once a week with coconut, almond, olive oil, or anything that you can find. It is helpful. Just wash it out after 30 to 60 minutes. Aloe vera gel can feel soothing on the scalp. And for detangling, use a wide tooth comb or a soft bristle brush. What to eat for better hair? Hair health starts on your plate. Your hair loves protein, iron, healthy fats, and water. Think about eggs, lentils, beans, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, yogurt, and fruit. Skipping meals or crash dieting can show up on your hair fast. So that's why don't stress. Sleep. Your routine matters. Your hair reflects your routine. Stress, poor sleep, inconsistent habits, they all play a role. Even small wins help. Better sleep, short walks, breathing breaks, and regular meals, they all help. Now, to avoid some common hair mistakes, a few common mistakes to avoid are too many chemicals, harsh bleaching, frequent color changes, scratching your scalp, piling on heavy oils or some random DIY mixes. All of this will irritate the skin. If something burns or itches, stop. Pay attention. Pay attention if the hair fall is sudden, it feels patchy, if it's severe, or it keeps going for months. That can sometimes point to stress, nutrition, hormones, or a scalp issue. Catching it early makes a difference, and that is why go get it checked. Here's a simple weekly hair care plan or a routine that you can actually stick to. Pay attention if the hair fall is sudden or it keeps going. And remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Think of your scalp like soil and your hair like the plant. Wash as needed. Condition after every wash. Oil massage once a week if it suits you. Eat protein-rich meals and be gentle because wet hair breaks more easily. Pat dry instead of rubbing it. And if you use heat tools, invest in that heat protectant. Your hair will thank you. Protect your sleep and stress levels. Avoid too many chemicals, harsh bleaching, and frequent color changes. And if you notice persistent problems such as hair fall for weeks or months, or itchiness that just won't go away, it is time to consult a medical professional. Even using a small, wide head tooth comb will also help. And if you keep all of these in mind, if you go on short walks, take regular meals, if you reduce overall stress and maintain control of your daily routine, your hair will shine naturally as it deserves to. So here's the bottom line. Healthy hair is built by small habits, not miracles. Be gentle, stay consistent, and care for your scalp. Give it time. Your hair doesn't need perfection. It needs patience and regular care.